Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Xbox One account, and then you can also switch users or accounts. So I'm going to press the Xbox button and then tab on over to my profile. Then go down, and we'll have two options right here. We have sign out, and then we have add or switch an account. So I'm going to go to sign out right here, and then choose my profile. And now I can see the main screen where I can add a profile, skip the sign in, or select my account to sign back in. So let's go to my main account, sign back in. And I don't have a password or anything I have to type in. So this is just going to sign you out of your profile. And sometimes this can help fix situations and problems you're encountering on your Xbox. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.